The title of my poem is Could Rap Music Be? Could rap music be the cause of crime and violence in our community today? If so, it's a shame, causing our families to go through pain. Could the lyrics in rap music start a gang, allowing our children to think it's okay to bang? Teens with guns aren't scared of anything anymore. They just want to start a war. A war between other hoods, and that's not good. Our people are dying and our families are crying, and that's a shame. Because it's another shooting that happened in DC again. Yup. In the back of our school, detectives and police. Where are the rules? Nobody cares about the students that go to school there. The students at KIPP DC want to go to and through college, earning a degree. So please agree to put the guns away. If not, they have a place for you to stay. So the next time you want to shoot, shoot with cameras, not guns.